Okay, so I got the carb off. There's that little butterfly valve. Yes, I did make a makeshift throttle cable, so I needed to. I guess I should just start off with just taking off this panel and this panel, see if anything's clogging it. Okay, got one panel off, and I noticed that there was like, yeah, there still is a little bit, it's gooey. I don't know if that may be what the problem was. I doubt it. Nothing that small can cause a problem. At least not that I know of. I'm diesel, so this is kind of uncharted territory for me. But yeah, there was gas in there, so that may not be our problem. That may not be our problem. Ugh. Alright, time for the other panel. Okay, we got here. The only thing I can make out of this is like some type of small diaphragm. Why is the door wind? Door randomly opened and slammed. And we got this stuff. Let's see what happens if I remove that. Okay, I couldn't find anything that could be considered as a clog. Got that plate off, nothing there. I'm gonna just soak this thing in some carb clean. Hopefully I can get what's little is left in this, and it discharged itself, so there's no pressure in it, so it like drips out, which could be to my advantage. I could delicately put it in there. There, how do you like that? Frickin' carb. Whoops, got all over my bits. Darn it, I hope that doesn't melt that. Okay, just let it float around there. Yeah, it just flew through. Right here, there's a small puddle of carb clean. Yeah, it's dripping right through. I don't know what's wrong. Maybe it's needs some adjusting. I don't know. That I don't know how to do. I only know diesel injectors, which go up to 3,000 or 4,000 psi. Don't know what carb operates on. Something. Oh wow! Do not get carb clean in a cut. Woo! That hurt. And it's what I think made it just worse is that it's like a hangnail. So they hurt already like a bitch. Ow. I gotta stop doing that. I'm not feeling good all of a sudden. Maybe I should stop breathing this carb clean. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little break. Okay, break over. Feeling much better. A little shaky though, must be getting hungry. Blood sugar dropping. I don't know. I guess that's as clean as I can get it. Yeah, I guess those two adjuster screws right there is what I need to adjust, unless it was a small little piece of whatever and it just dissolved via the B12 chem tool that I use. It's an old can. I don't think it has any CFCs, does it? Contains toluene, acetone, petroleum distillates, hexane, carbon dioxide. Oh, carbon dioxide's probably the damn, I can't remember it. It's probably the propellant. That's what I was looking for. Yeah, I'll probably just soak this some more. See what happens. Put it back on the engine. Try to run it. It would suck if having just the aftermarket muffler or no muffler on it is causing the problem. Because if it was, it's... that's pretty sad, because then I won't be able to do much of anything. But I don't think this runs really high back pressure. Just judging by the look of the muffler. It looked like it didn't have... it had like one tube and then a baffle. Alright. Get soaked in that rag. Yep. Yeah, that should be it. Hopefully that'll fix it. And then we can start running this engine and put other mufflers on it that'll have like a straight pipe. Flowmaster. That'll be fun. Okay, let's try and see if we can start this thing up with no starting fluid. Looks like we're going to need starting fluid. Okay. Please don't blow up. Please don't blow up. Oh my. What'd I do? Yeah, that definitely, I think, just oversped or did something. But I think I got it under control. Ooh. Either that or it was just... no, yeah, the muffler fell off. So I guess that's why it sounded a bit louder and faster than it should have. I think I may have fixed it, but right now I'm a little too scared to try it because I don't want a rod in my leg or arm or body. Let's see what I've done. It's definitely warm. It feels warm. So the foil gasket. Ooh, that is very warm right there. Oh, look, smoke. Not sure if the camera can pick it up. Smells good. Yeah, I put some aluminum foil to try to hold it in there. Apparently, couldn't hold it. Gotta put it back in. I don't see any damage, so it's probably not a problem. Okay, gonna try to run it without any starting fluid, because I may have fixed it by the sounds of it. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. Please don't blow up. Seems to be going a little fast. Not sure. But muffler definitely works. In fact, I think it may be a little bit quieter, but throatier than the original exhaust. The original exhaust was pretty high pitched, but it wasn't as quiet. It appears that my glasspack type exhaust has worked. But I am too afraid to start this thing because I think there may be something wrong and it's going pretty fast. Unless that's just my imagination. I would not like this. Ooh, did I get burned? Oh, I thought I got burned. I thought my hand started burning there, but yeah.